Did you know that you can create amazing and stunning kids storybook for free using your mobile phone? Yes, guys, this particular storybook you are seeing was created by AI with Funzi. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I was able to create this for free using free AI tools. Let me show you how it looks. So if this interests you, stick to this video to the end as I show you step-by-step process. Let's dive in. Getting started, head over to ChatGPT. Once you are on the ChatGPT app, for you to start writing your story, you must first of all get an idea for your story. Maybe you already have an idea you want to build on, or you are just blank, you don't know any story at all to build on. ChatGPT is going to help you. So once you are on ChatGPT, at this left hand side, these 2 or 3 dots right here, you tap on it. And when you tap on it, you can see a list of options right here. You can see it's right, new chat, library, GPTs. This GPTs is where your concern should be. So tap on it. So once you're on these GPTs, you can see where it says search public GPT. So I'm going to search for children's storybook. I see a list of options that comes out right here. So the one I'm going to use, guys, is this one that has children's storybook and illustration. This particular one that has 5K charts. So I'm going to tap on that. So you can see it's this particular one. This is the one you should pick. So I'll then tap on start chart. So guys, if you are just starting out, this is how it will look like. This is how it will look blank. Then start typing in what you want to type. For now, I've actually done this. Like I've already generated my own story using that GPT. So this is it. You can see it. I use this same GPT to generate my story. You can see it's children's storybook. You can see it right here. So guys, the first thing I asked it is that suggest to me 10 adventurous and fantasy-filled interesting children's storybook idea for kids between 7 to 10 years old. And this is it. I don't have any idea at all. So that's the reason why I started out with this. So it gave me 10 adventurous and fantasy-filled children's book story. So this is it right here. It will give you like 10 different ideas that you should choose from. So what you have to do is to just look at it, read it up. Anyone that sparks your interest, you just pick that. So I picked this number 1, the Midnight Map Makers. So I have picked that. So this is the next prompt which I asked it. I said, develop number 1, make it more interesting, kids-friendly storybook for kids between 7 to 10 years old. Write the story as a whole. So guys, this is it right here. You can see it, the Midnight Map Makers. It wrote it in different chapters. Chapter 1, I think it wrote it up to chapter 6. Oh, chapter 7. You can see it right here, chapter 7. This is the whole story it gave to me. I need it to be divided in sections because I want to make what? A storybook. So I went ahead. I'm going to write out this prompt in the description. So please and please check the description, like this video and share it, please. So I went ahead to ask it another prompt. I said, divide the story into 14 parts / pages. Because since I'm making a storybook, it should be in pages. So I said, divide the story into 14 parts / pages. Include the cover page and the back page. This is what it gave to me. You can see it's book layout, 14 pages. It went ahead to say for page 1, this is the cover page. So everything right here is what should be in the cover page. Then for page 2, this is it. So one beautiful thing I love about using this GPT is that it gives you page 2 and gives you the illustration that has to be in page 2. You can see closely right here that for this page 2, this very top one is the one I'm going to write as the text, while this illustration is like the diagram or the image that will be in the storybook. Everything you are generating, the images you have to generate, you must generate the front page all through together to the back page, which is the last page, which is page 14. So I went ahead to ask it that give a short physical description of the 3 friends, Tom, Mia, and Arjun. The reason why I asked for this reference is that once it gives you this story and gives you the pages, all of that, you need to read through and know, okay, if it's like the story is only based on just one character or the story is based on multiple characters. So it was while reading the story I found out that I needed like 3 characters, Tom, Mia, and Arjun. So that's the reason why I asked for this. So guys, After I asked it for the description of the three friends, give me the description of them. This is for Tom, this is for Mia, then for Ajon, we have our story like this, and we have three characters, and we have already known the description of each of the character. We'll first of all copy the text for each of the character, like the text for Tom, the text for Mia, and the text for Ajon, like the text description for each of them. We're going to copy it and head over to our text to image generating tool to generate the images for these different characters. First text to image tool I'll be using is Piglumen. Yes, go to your browser and search for piglumen.com. So sign up using your Gmail account, and once you are on this feed right now, you're going to tap on create right here. So once you tap on create, once you log in with a new email address, you're going to be given 10 free credits. I think it's every day or thereabout. So this is where you start creating your images. So remember that the first thing we want to create right now is the description of the three characters in our children's storybook. You get. So I'm going to tap on this page that says describe the piece you want to create. Here I've pasted in the text prompt for this very character, Ajon. Pardon me if I'm not pronouncing the name very well. So the next thing I'm going to do, before I tap on send right here, I need this image to be in a particular style. So at this very place right here, I'm going to tap on that. So you can see the model I'm using. The model I'm using is Arts V1. Make sure it's on Arts V1. If you tap on it, you can change the model to anything, but I want it to be on Arts V1. So I'm going to tap on it and tap on done. So that has been set. So for the aspect ratio I'm using for storybooks is usually square aspect ratio, that is 1:1. Before I will tap on send, I still need to make a little setting adjustment. So at this very place right here, I'm going to also pick a style. So once I tap on that, you can see where it's right reference, style, and control. So I'm going to tap on style. So you can see where it's right showreel right here. So just tap on that. You can see the style I chose, it's already here. So once I have set this, I'm going to tap on send. So guys, as you can see, this is the result of the image. You can see how it looks. It looks nice. So if you're okay with it, you can go ahead and download it. But if you are not okay with it, you can go ahead and regenerate it. So guys, as you can see right here, I've generated the image for Mia. This is her image. So I'll go ahead and download it. Then this is the description for Tom. This is for him. So once you have gotten your character images, so go ahead and download them. Then we're going to go to the next step. Since I've generated the image and downloaded it from Piglumen, the next thing I need to do is to head over to Google AI Studio. In Google AI Studio, once you're on this interface, tap on Try Nano Banana. So once you have tapped on Try Nano Banana, this is the interface you're going to see. You're going to see this plus option for you to upload in image. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to upload in the 3 images, each of them, and tell Nano Banana for it to save each of them for future reference. You get me? So just watch what I will do right now. I'm going to tap on the plus button, upload file. It will direct me to my gallery for me to upload in the first image of the first character. So this is the first character. So I have uploaded it in, and this is what I said this is the character image for this particular person. Save it for further reference. So I'm going to tap on send, and I'm going to see what it's going to write for me. So you can see said understood. I have saved Ajon's character image for future reference. This is how I'm going to do it for the other 2 characters. So guys, as you can see right here, I've uploaded in the images of the 3 characters. As you can see, I've told Nano Banana to save them as a reference images. Once Nano Banana has saved your reference image, head back to ChatGPT and copy the next page prompt. That is what you are going to paste in Nano Banana to generate the illustration. So guys, on that same chart on Nano Banana, I'm going to paste in the prompt which I copied. That is the prompt for my next image. I'm going to paste that in, and then I'll tap on send. Alright guys, this is the result of the image for page 2. Yes, guys, as you can see, the characters still look like our reference images. So what I have to do next is that I'm going to repeat this process, which I did for page 2. I'm going to repeat it up to page 14. That is throughout the storybook. Since we have created the images that's going to be in the pages of our storybook, next thing is for us to start designing the storybook, and we are going to be using Canva. In case you are using the free version of Canva, you can still do this. So once you're on the Canva interface, this first page, go to search, and then you're going to search for storybook. So when you search for storybook, you're going to see some options that comes out. These are so many storybooks, but just tap on create a blank storybook. So guys, this is now our blank storybook. Remember, we have about 14 pages including our front page. First page, I'm going to put in the cover page. So for me to do that, I'll tap on gallery so that I'll upload in the image from my gallery. As you can see, I've added my cover page. This is it, but you can see that it's not filling this page, is not filling the border of this page. So you can see that I have already highlighted the image. Then these three dots right here, when you tap on it, you're going to see where it writes set image as background. So I'm going to tap on set image as background, and as you can see right here, it has filled this very space. So guys, as you can see, I am done with my cover page. I'll later put in the text that will be here. I'll later put that. So for the next page, which is for page 2, this is for page 2, and then what I have to do is that this page 2 is where the story starts, and I need to design my background for page 2. Like for all the pages apart from the cover page, I need to start designing the background. So for you to design your background, since you are a new beginner, you don't know anything about designing background for a storybook, for a kid's storybook, I would advise that you go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you or suggest to you colors that are actually okay for a storybook, and it's going to suggest to you a list of colors, and also ask it to give you the codes for those colors. So that's what I did. That was how I got an idea of how my background for the storybook is going to look like. So guys, from the idea ChatGPT gave to me, I need to add color to my background. So I'm going to tap on color. I want to use a lavender background. So at this very place that shows like code right here, I'm going to put in the code for that particular color. Remember, it was ChatGPT that gave me an idea of what the code is. So I'm going to put that in. Once the background color of your page is set, the next thing is for you to add a cloud frame. To access that, go to your Elements tab and search for cloud frames. You're going to see a different designs, different options. Just choose any one you like, and then once you have added the cloud frame to your page, then you need to still upload in the image for the page 2. So go to your gallery and upload in the image for page 2. Once you have uploaded in the image for page 2, then you have to select the image and then kind of drag it into the cloud frame, kind of infuse it into the cloud frame, and this is what you're going to get as your result. So once this has been done, we cannot just leave our page like this. It looks so blank, you get. So you can just put in a little bit of design in it. To add designs to this particular page, just tap on the Elements tab, and then you can search for designs such a flower doodle or anything at all you want to use. Just tap on the graphics section and you can see a whole list of options of flowers right here. You can decide to choose any one of it. Once you choose any design you want to add to your page, you need to make sure you arrange them properly, and then anyone you select, make sure you reduce the transparency so that it doesn't overshadow the main work. To add the text, I'm going to tap on edit. Remember, I've copied the text from ChatGPT, so this is what you still have to do. So I'm going to find the particular text. This is it right here. I'm going to kind of reduce it because it's kind of much. So just try and reduce it, drag it and reduce it. You can still drag it so that it will still look okay. Just something like this is okay. Then the font I will be using, I'm going to go to font and then tap on this arrow side to see more font options. Then this Comic Sans, this is what I'm going to be using. I'll tap on it. So guys, once I have designed my page and I've added text and everything, this is now the final look from chapter 1 to the very last chapter. So guys, you can see that I have designed this using the same method, repeat it for all the pages. So guys, as you can see, our storybook is ready. So guys, I'm going to download it as a PDF. So I'm going to tap on this very place and then I'm going to tap on download. So once I've tapped on download, you can see it PDF print. That's what it suggests for a storybook. So make sure it's on PDF print. Then select pages from page 1 to page 13. Then just tap on download. So once we are done downloading it as a PDF file, the next thing is for us to take it to the tool that's going to turn this into a flip book. Then the last step right now is for us to head over to heyzen.com and then sign up. This is where we're going to convert our downloaded PDF children's storybook into an interactive flipbook. So once you sign up, just tap on these settings and then your PDF will be converted to an interactive flipbook, and this is the result.